Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to look at a 2024 Sea Ray 320 coupe. Back here on the back you've got a hydraulic submersible swim platform. All of the boat is covered with sea deck. You have a seat that will traverse sideways or forward, so you got seating in the back, seating in the forward. You've got a built-in grill. You've got a sun pad here that converts into a table as well. Refrigerator, a sink. You've got an extended curtain on the top that's power. Moving forward into the cabin, you have a sunroof, open and close. Dual seating, captain, co-pilot. Digital dash screen. Of course, it wouldn't be a Sea Ray without the joystick control. This is powered with twin 6.2 Mercruiser 350 horsepower engines, all digital. Moving up into the front, you have ample bow seating up here, so this serves as a big, large bow rider. Plenty of seating, windlass, grab handle. You'll notice the windshield and the sides are all glass. So all the cockpit in here is also heated and cooled with air conditioning. Moving down into the cabin. The forward berth converts into a bed. Also lifts up into a table. We've got a refrigerator, a microwave. These two beds back here, separate beds, or they push together to make one large king-size bed. And then of course, in here you've got your full head, shower curtain, glass bowl sink. And this would conclude the 2024 Sea Ray 320 coupe. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.